Alcohols and Breweries Limited, warmly welcome to the 36th annual general meeting for the financial 24-25. I would like to inform that this meeting is held through conference board in compliance with the circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India. The participation of sharers joining through the conference shall be led for the purpose forum under section 193 of the Meeting Act. As the meeting is being through the video conference, question from the note better. Further proceedings of meeting will also be recorded for the compliance purpose. This is the quorum is present, and accordingly, I call this meeting on. Further, the Commission of Board of Employees, I request Mr. to occupy the position as chairman this meeting. Now, I would also like to thank you for your valuable time to join us today from different parts of this country. Before commencement of this project, I would like to introduce the director executives who have joined this annual general meeting. The person Kedia, Managing Director, Vishal Dari sir, Director CFO, sir, Executive Director and CEO. But I am attending this meeting. Also, the Director, Mr. Dr. Joshi, and also Rajkumar. Further, I am attending this meeting from the conference room of the company, Polo DPK Start Road in. We also have Mr. Ajay from our auditor, CGA and Ishan then scrutinize the meeting. They are present to the video conferencing and actually further conference visit coordination. We can see for the AGI. I would request the person to meet the speech.
Dear shareholders, I am pleased to welcome you to the annual general meeting of State Roles and this year has been one consolidation forward movement globally and within the global economy is expected to grow steadily at 7% in 2026, supported by easing inflation and military relaxation across emerging markets. However, the recovery remains uneven and below pre-pandemic levels, with percent risks such as geopolitical tensions, policy uncertainty, and climate-related disruptions. While inflation is gradually declining, post-crisis inflation went sticky, particularly in the US and Europe. Diverse monetary policy and some growth measures continue to shape global economy. This forecast 2025 and 26. India remains a stand for amid global headwinds, projected to grow at 6.2 in 25 and 6.3 in 26. According to the has become largest economy in 25 with nominal GDP surpassing 4.18 trillion. India trajectory is supported by strong domestic demand, infrastructure, and structural reforms, positioning it as a key contributor to global economic momentum over many years. India's alcoholic beverages industry was valued at approximately 60.19 billion in 24 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.7, reaching around 115.27 billion by 2034. Spirits like whiskey, vodka, and are expected to lead, with whiskey contributing to over 48% of global consumption. The country is also expanding its global footprint, aiming to increase alcoholic beverage export from 3,162 crore, which is 370 million, to 1,535 crore, $1 million by 2018. Highly is showing presence in international markets. I am pleased to inform you that Alcohols and Beverages Limited has delivered steadily progress and achieved the strategic milestone during financial year 2025. Our commitment to premiumization in the alcohol beverage segment resolute. These efforts were supported by disciplined expansion into new regions and deeper engagement with existing markets. Together, these strategic moves defined ABL over the past year helped strengthen our position as a leader in the premium alcohol segment. ABL delivered a strong final result in financial year 24-25, driven by disciplined execution and sound premiumization. Gross revenue increased by 53% year-on-year, reaching 10,966 million. Net revenue from operations grew by 42%, reaching 759 million. EBITDA surged by 67%, 1,008 million. EBITDA improved 12%. Profit after tax stood at 140 million, reflecting also 6% growth and a margin of 8%. The company recorded a strong cross in financial year 2025, revenue growth by 5% to 1,366 million. This is the rapid scale of operations. During the company launched products including Maski and mobile in which received increasing market and industry recognition. The company launched culture first during the strategic into growing ideas and following presence of younger consumers. We have made progress on geographic expansion with successful growth in one day and Chhattisgarh. Progress underway for Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. On the operating front, our integrated business model has continued investment into enable us to scale efficiently. Full operation softly improved costs are expected to see margin recovery in the near term. As we step into financial 25-26, ABL remains firmly focused on disciplined expansion, product innovation, and operational excellence. The company continued to develop presence in existing market while tracking its into high potential to drive sustainable growth. To further strengthen our premium portfolio cater to evolving consumer preferences, we have done the launch of several new offerings in the coming quarters, including a ready-to-drink premium and tequila. Board of Directors of the company has recommended a dividend of 40% through this and 25. This recommendation is good for players. It is blessed to capitalize on emerging trends, evolving consumer preferences, continue to evolve future by crossing a premium portfolio. Be strong with the open innovation, craft safe and brand excellence by operational discipline and integrated value. And we have set a new benchmark in quality, efficiency, and industry leadership, further reinforcing our position as a trusted name in India's alcoholic beverage sector. The leaders and board of ABL extend heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated employees, customers, fundable partners, and esteemed shareholders. Our unwavering support is the foundation of our success. It will not exceed expectations, build a future defined by excellence and sustainability. Thank you.
Our dear shareholders, let us proceed with the business during the area of the company. The annual report 24-25 financial year and notice, title report, management vision and thesis, purpose report, statements for financial year ended March 25 has been given to all the shareholders listed in the meeting. and also sent the letter have not their email for the annual purpose. Now, the permission, I take the notice and the said document. I would like to remember not yet cast a vote to their vote link for the CDSL e-voting platform. E-voting India account. The same can WSL where you have choice meeting. Some of the shareholders themselves as for this AGM. I shall not direct them to speak on the ground. The figures are actually set by the amendments to kill and those are all participants of the legal show. We have to respond to the maximally after the speaker. By the time the end of the speakers, once again request to cast their vote on the agenda items. We have received the request from politicians. I think the teams for them one by one. I request them to answer. Subhita, what? Shall we, Subhita, but
Udita Chakravarti, yeah? What? Okay.
yes.
See
Very good morning, sir. I am Sudipto Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata, a shareholder of Associate Alcohol. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, my board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance to speak something in this platform. Sir, I believe my company is in strong hand, and it will perform better to better in coming future. For our directors' honesty, dedication, devotion, and determination. Sir, I have some specific questions. First question is, how would you implement green energy in your business? And second question is, how would you implement AI technology in your business? Sir, I casted vote along with my family members in favor of you. Lastly, sir, just I want to say, please consider some memento for the speakers. Thank you, everybody. Best of luck for the rest of year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Gupti. Very well said. Already made the two plant in which we have substantially reduced the power taking from the grid and trying to save it. Apart that, we are in the process. We are capturing the solar power to support the green energy. As far as the translation from the AI, trying to really utilize and to actually back to the maximum benefit of the AI presentation technology in the process. Thank you.
Next, we can take Indrani Chakrabarti.
Yes.
हेलो सर मैं दिल्ली से
Am I
लोकेश
audible? Am I
सर मैं दिल्ली
audible?
से लोकेश
Yes,
Very good noon, sir. I am Indrani Chakraborty, attending VC1 Kolkata, a small shareholder of your company. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance in this platform. I casted vote along with my family member in favor of you in this AGM. I believe my company will perform better to better in coming future. Best of luck to my board of directors. Sir, my question is, how many female staff in your company? I conclude my speech. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for your appreciation, company. As regards the civil staff is concerned, we've got very limited civil staff. And whenever the civil work is required, it's female staff. Sorry. So in terms of female staff, you rightly said, our company also moving towards the increasing the male ratio. right now we are at present around to 15% of female staff ratio, and which we are looking at increasing in coming time.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you. And in the bottling activity, we have around 70% in our bottling operation. We have almost around 7% female staff.
Thank you. Next, we will take Mr. Lucky Gupta. Yes.
Yeah, Mr.
Hello,
Gupta, you are
मुझे सुन
unmuted.
पा रहे हैं?
Please proceed.
चेयरमैन सर, मैं दिल्ली से लोकेश गुप्ता आपका सभी बोर्ड मेंबर्स का स्वागत करता हूं। सर, एक्सीलेंट चेयरमैन स्पीच हो रही थी जिसके मैं कंपनी के वर्तमान और भविष्य के बारे में बताया। उसके बाद कुछ सवाल बचते नहीं है सर। सवाल बचते भी वहां हैं जहां विश्वास और भरोसा होना हो। आप पे विश्वास है, भरोसा है। जो भी निर्णय कंपनी के बारे में आप लेंगे कंपनी के हित में होगा। कंपनी अच्छा करेगी तो शेयर होल्डर्स को रिवार्ड मिल रहा है और मिलेगा भी। सर मुझे जानना है अपना मार्केट शेयर बढ़ाने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं। सेकंड, हमारे मार्जिन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं सर। एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट आपसे है, अगर जो बोर्ड विचार करे तो एक बोनस शेयर के बारे में थोड़ा इस बारे में विचार जरूर कीजिए सर। अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म हमें मिला है। मैं दिल्ली से बैठकर ये जिम ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ सर। इसी बीसी मोड पे मीटिंग करेंगे तो मैं पेन इंडिया के शेयर होल्डर आपसे जुड़े रहेंगे सर। हमें एक बार आपसे मिलने का अवसर मिलता है, लेकिन कंपनी के बारे में जानकारी के लिए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी सर उनकी टीम के पास बार बार हम जाते हैं। वेल टाइम हमें रिप्लाई मिलता है। इसके लिए भी मैं उनकी पूरी टीम को धन्यवाद करूंगा। अंत में मैं सर कंपनी के सुखद भविष्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। धन्यवाद सर।
Lokesh, thank you very much. I think your point is a valuable point. अच्छा, लोकेश आपका प्रश्न हिंदी में है तो हिंदी में ही जवाब देना मेरे लिए ज्यादा होगा। आई थिंक टू हैव प्रॉपर आप बातों का रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे। लोकेश जी, कंपनी ऑलरेडी दिस फंडामेंटली वी आर ऑन दैट अपने ट्रेडिशनल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के साथ अब ब्रांड प्रमोशन में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और वैल्यू एडेड ब्रांड प्रमोशन के साथ ही और मार्केट दूसरे फंड करने के बाद एग्जिस्टिंग चीजों को कंजर्वेटिव रखते हुए नई चीज को बढ़ने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। अभी जैसा आपने देखा रिपोर्ट में हमने मल्टी स्पिरिट प्लांट लगा लिया है। नाउ अभी शुरू हो जा रहा है। उसके साथ साथ गलमॉल्ट और वैल्यू एडेड प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स के चलके आए हमारी मार्च से आगे चलके मार्केट का दिल्ली, केरला और मध्य प्रदेश के अलावा 7-8 राज्यों में पहुंच चुके हैं। मुझे लग रहा है आगे आने वाले समय में इम्पोर्टेंस हमारा बढ़ेगा और अपने चीजों को कंसोलिडेट करना है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
नेक्स्ट अपने अमित कुमार जी।
Yes.
कृष्णा जी, अमित कुमार बनर्जी है।
Yeah. Unmuted. Mr. Banerjee, you may proceed with your question, please.
Muted.
Mr. Banerjee, please unmute yourself and proceed with question.
Amit ji, please unmute yourself.
हम नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं। मिस्टर जयदीप बख्शी। जयदीप बख्शी जी है।
Jaideep Bakshi could not join, I think. He's not there, sir.
मिस्टर जहांगीर बाटीवाला।
Jangir Batliwala is also not present.
Not present. Miss Swechha Jain.
Someone joined with the Ratna Banerjee.
और नहीं, ये स्पीकर नहीं। स्वेच्छा जैन नहीं है।
स्वेच्छा जैन नहीं है सर।
अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ, तो भी थैंक यू मिस्टर बीएन दुबे। अच्छा, रत्ना जैन जी को अलाउ कर दीजिए।
ओके सर, जस्ट
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Ratna Banerjee. We have given the rights. Please unmute yourself, please.
रत्ना जी अपना अनम्यूट कर दीजिए. तो ठीक है, फिर we proceed and we thank Mr. V.N. Dubey, our consultant, who answered many of the questions answered diligently. Now, to sum up, I would like to inform all the members of the companies that the results for the remote e-voting and e-voting during the end will be announced shortly and will be placed on the page of the company. The result will also be sent to the stock exchanges as per the relevant provisions of the Companies Act listing regulations. All the business to be conducted at this meeting has been transacted. I hereby declare that the 36th annual general meeting is closed, and I would once again like to thank all the directors, consultant, auditors for attending the today's meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all.